Hi, it's Gina with your Note of the Week. This week, I'm going to teach you how to make an email list for your customers, and it's very easy. Let's start by going to Customers, and I'm just going to call up a customer, Bill Baker. Now, before we start, I want to point out a statement on the customer record. Down here towards the bottom, notice there's an opt-out from marketing emails. You can actually leverage this switch when making your list to exclude people who do not want to receive an email from you. Let's start by creating our list. I'm going to go into the lookup. Here's all my customers. What I'm going to do is I'm going to design this lookup to only show me a customer name and a customer email address. And I can easily do that by right-clicking anywhere where there's data, going to the column designer. Over under hidden columns, I'm going to jump down to the E's and get email, and I just double-clicked on that element, brings it over here to the visible columns. I'm going to remove columns I don't need by double-clicking on them. I don't need customer number, I don't need city, I don't need state. And I'll click OK. So now I have a lookup that's showing me names and emails, and you've probably noticed that not all my customers have an email address. So what I want to do is narrow down this list to only show me customers with an email address. I'm going to come here to Options. I'm going to Filter. And in the filter, I'm going to right-click, and I'm going to Customize. And I'm just going to click here to add a condition. And it comes up with first name, which isn't what I need. I really need email. So I'm going to click on first name, come to email, and I'm going to change this parameter of is exactly to is not empty. And I'm going to right click and simplify my filter and click OK. And now all I have is a list of customers with actual email addresses. But remember earlier on Bill Baker's customer record, we enabled a switch that says Bill doesn't want to get emails. So I'm going to recustomize my filter to exclude anyone who wants to opt out of emails from this list. So I'll go back to Options, Filter, I'll right-click, Customize, I'll click on this line, click here to add a condition, I'll click on the first name, and I'll come down here to the O's to where it says opt out of emails, and I'm going to right click and simplify, and I'm going to use this drop down and set this to no. So anyone that doesn't have the switch enabled will be included in my list. I'll click OK, and now you can see Bill Baker's been excluded from the list. So from here I can go to Options and Preview, and once I have my preview, I can come up to this envelope and I can export this list to another format. In my example, I want to export it to Excel. And the destination is going to be the application itself. So I'll just select Application. I'll click OK. And I'll click OK to a couple of these pop-ups. And Counterpoint's going to launch Excel for me. And it's going to export my preview to Excel. And that's how to create a customer email list. Hope this helps. Thank you for watching this week's video. I would love to hear from you. If you would like to submit a question or a suggestion for a future video, email me at training@cksystem.com with Note of the Week on the subject line. To request a free training catalog or to schedule training, call me at 888-476-7911 extension 3. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. See you next week.